Hey folks, welcome to the Car DIY channel. Today we're going to be washing the diesel Chevy Colorado. And I've got a video all about this thing and the motor in it. If you're interested, it'll be down below. But today we're going to be checking out this gizmo. This is a foam cannon, but it's a little bit different. Most of the foam cannons you've seen on the internet run on a pressure washer. This one runs on a regular garden hose. This is great if you don't have a pressure washer. So we're going to give this thing a go. You can see I used it a little bit yesterday, but I wanted to show you how well this works and if it stands up to an actual pressure washer powered foam cannon. So let's get into it. Now, like I mentioned before, this is a good alternative if you don't have a pressure washer. I have used it a little bit. I used it yesterday on the other car. Today I'm going to be using it today on the truck. And this uses just standard car wash detergent. The way this thing works, it's got a little bottle here. Open her up. And add your soap right to it. Now, I've kind of bought the or drank the Meguiar's Kool-Aid. What was in there before was just a different Meguiar stuff. So we're going to combine it up a little bit and screw it back onto here. Now, the way this one's set up, you can actually disconnect this part from it and use this as a regular hose. Hose off your car and then connect the foam cannon. And then it's got a dial here. And the dial goes from 0 to 5. Now, the instructions weren't that great, and it actually made it sound like 0 was the highest foam setting, but it's the other way around. 0 is the lowest amount of soap, all the way up to 5, which is the most amount of soap, and you spin that dial to get that. Now, what I've got set up here at my house are these quick disconnects. You can just quickly disconnect and reconnect. That doesn't come with it, but I do have a link down in the description below for these if you want to do those. They're a big help if you got to switch nozzles out a lot. And I got a link for this thing. Let's go get the car wet. Now, the entire point of one of these foam cannons is so you get the car covered with soapy foam and it sticks to the car and helps break down all the dirt and grime. So we're going to get started here. I've got it on the number 5 setting right there on top. And that's what we're looking for, that sticky foam that's staying put and not coming off the car, but staying put and helping break down all that grime. So let's finish soaping up the truck. So we've now scrubbed the whole truck down. Now we can disconnect the bottle from the little hose piece that it came with and rinse her on off. So there you go. There is a foam cannon powered by a garden hose. I do have a link for this thing down in the description below. Now, my final thoughts on it. I love this thing. It really does make things a lot easier. I don't have to deal with the bucket. And I noticed here on the front where I had a lot of splattered on bugs and whatnot, that they came right off because they had been kind of soaking in that soap for a bit. Now, if I already had a pressure washer, I would definitely go get a pressure washer powered foam cannon. Those give a much better foam that sticks a lot longer, but for the price, you can't argue. I picked this thing up for under 30 bucks. So if this video helped you out at all, give me a great big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We got lots more cool automotive content. You might even see the Supra on the channel. And of course, thanks for watching.